camera, action, start it. Run out of gas, try push, no park it. No problem, a Jamaican target. We get a couple million now we on at the target. You ever think what you would do if you get this money? Me da buy a house a car. Me the girls them funny, but that's a if I probably a when. Or if you get lucky, it really all depends on me and me crew. We better than me and me crew. Me say we better than me and me crew. Me say we better than me. We are them other man. Yes, we are them other man.
I'm telling you, man, it's horrid. They are a real set of vagabonds up here. I mean, you've got to come and take a look. I can't say enough. And you should see the cars outside and the noise. It's deplorable. I'm sure the price of... Let me finish. I'm sure the price of my property has gone down in value.
That blasted man, Mr. Wedderburn.
Hold on. Oh, listen, I've got to go. They're showing the reruns of Dynasty today. Yes. Joan Collins in it. I know. Yeah. Okay. All right. We'll talk about it later. I'll see you then. Bye-bye. People.
I'm going to give him something to talk about.
You remember me?
Oh, hi, Mama. How you doing?
But Mama, how you do? Look, from when you buy big house and you not even let me eyes them see it before me gone.
Lord, Mama, I don't like when you talk them things there, you know. You know it's because you can't take the long journey why you don't reach down here yet. Sure.
So you say, you're young blood, full of chat and ginage.
Anyway, you send the breadfruit where I leave down there the other day with Joe?
Yes, yes, and some yam for your maga boy. Listen, I hear that you have one big yard with whole heap of space. So I send up a little surprise for you to help clean up the place.
Surprise, Mama? You know I don't like surprise. Yes, all right, I have to go. Let me finish up what I'm doing, yes.
All right, me daughter. Bye-bye. Love you too. And tell Junior say he must call in Granny sometime.
All right, bye-bye. Love you. Kiss, kiss.
Morning, woman.
Hi, what?
Boy, this cake smell good. And not even when we wait till it cool, I want a slice. No!
Don't even think about that. This cake here is not for us. It's for our lovely neighbor, Mr. Wedderburn.
Mr. Wedderburn? Mm-hmm. Mommy, what you up to?
Hold on. I can't do something nice. I'm just being neighborly.
Anything you say. But remember this. You is my mother. You can't trick me. Anyway, later, soon forward.
Aye, hold on. Remember, we're going to check about the shop today.
Shop. Mommy, what you want with a shop?
Oh, Lord,
We don't have money already.
No, you don't have money already. I want to open a little clothes shop or something like that. You know, to have something to do. To put meaning to my life. I'm not happy like this.
You're not comfortable, Mommy?
No. I want to earn my own money.
Don't understand, you know. Yeah, I'm in the dark with that one.
Just meet me by the plaza at 4 o'clock, all right?
All right, Mommy. You are the boss.
Yes. All right, don't forget now, you know. Take care.
Yoo-hoo! Mr. Weddy! Weddy! Woo-hoo! Weddy! It's you. What do you want?
There you are. Oh, a very pleasant good afternoon to you, Mr. Wedderburn. You know, I was at my house and I was thinking, and I said to myself, I said, Beatrice, you be the bigger one. So I bake you this lovely cake as a kind gesture. So you see, from here on now, we could be good neighbors.
Oh, well, yes, that's very big of you. I mean, to admit that you were wrong.
Yes, well, I have something on the stove, you see.
overwhelming. I think I'm gonna take a little bit.
You can say what you wanna say. You can do what you wanna do. Just don't mention the Innocent Kru, 'cause Kappa will put that to you.
The lyrically compact MP3, lyrically...
Oh man, no, I can't eat that thing. Still, you deal with this here. Can't deal with
Yo, Kappa, you sell Kappa, you do music.
A song me doing a star.
Want a good tune from me now, what do you, man? Give me a good music, man. Run it again one more time. Last time, this me give you a chance. Yes, sir?
Innocent, never cool, never calm. Fire! Earthquake is a storm. And the best crew this to perform. You know like when me say, better go on. I run them down. God alone put money in my palm. Not a pig, not a goat on the farm. Just me and the girl I get the up till a man. Sorry, what you give me, we make me pass. Who but mine, I try to run.
Hot! Yes, me youth, long time I telling you. Yeah, it's the song there. Yeah, I hate that. I love that.
That man just finished off my buckle that I buy yesterday. Worth it.
Oh, there, Mr. Weatherman. Oh. Oh, there. Oh, there. Oh, that's a wet one. No, that's not a wet one. Oh, curse that woman, oh, Cherry. I know you can see me now, darling, but please don't laugh. Oh, gosh, I'm telling you. She is going to get it, Cherry. She is going to get it. If it's war she wants, then war she's going to get. Oh, gosh.
Look on this.
Oh, my youth. How's it?
so much for safe sex.
Show him that for
Yo! That song they sell off for that man.
What? Eh?
Boy!
I only hope this song go #1 because Maka is going to need the money to take care of his child.
Weird. So who pregnant for you?
Susan.
So, mix up Susan. Then she walk out for your brethren?
What? No, man. Which girl can walk out from me and then come back and tell me, say, she pregnant? No, star. Joke thing that. Maka, it was raining rubbers all the time.
Yes. No. That kind of private tonight.
Oh, you mean yes? No. You mean no? My youth is not a private thing again, you know. You publicly claim that the girl pregnant for you, right? I know you're going like, it not possible. You know, in a loo, man, you want to man, you don't know where you're at. Alright. You can't force the man to tell him private business star. Whether him want to put the rubber up on him rubber dubber or not, that's his business. All the same, I don't want to hear anything about that, you know. Because we're only hearing one side of the story. Maka, deal with your problem.
Well, you're right. That is it for the day. Tomorrow we'll lay the next track.
Alright.
In the meantime, I want you guys to be properly attired for the performance later. Okay? Alright, so now take care of this.
Bless up yourself.
Yeah.
Tired. Hey, mommy, send her love.
Oh, hi. How you doing?
And some cane.
Oi.
And some banana.
Where is that boy June to help her with these things?
And before I forget, Billy inside, you see?
Billy who?
Man.
No. What is wrong with Mama? No, man. This is uptown. People don't keep goat in the yard uptown here, man. No. Them keep dogs like Rottweiler, Poodle, Dachshund, not goat. Joe, carry it back. Take it back. No, take it back. On the other hand, I think it's a good idea. He might clean up the place and the neighborhood.
That damn dog has got to go.
Damn fast.
That dog, I'm gonna get rid of it once and for all.
Aye. Tell your mother that I'm sorry about the other night. And in the same time, tell her thanks because she saved me a lot of problems. Alright?
Alright, yeah.
Well, well, well. If it's not another coincidence, how you doing?
I'm good.
How can you be good and you're driving this machine all by yourself? You're not afraid me arrest you? Give me your papers. And please tell me so you forget them. Because this time it's going to cost you more than a chups. Any firearm license?
No.
Any concealed weapons of mass reproduction?
No.
Okay, your documents are okay. But since we seem to be meeting so often, one of these days or nights, I'll have you inspect my documents.
That damn man don't know when to stop.
I'm going to take you somewhere where you can't mess on me or my lawn. Hey. If only it was as easy as this to get rid of your hell-sent owners. Huh? Come on, let's go.
Yes, Officer 119. There's an intruder on my property and I'm scared for my life. It's Cherry Gardens, Regal Way, off Russell Heights. Yes, could you hurry, please? He looks very dangerous. Yeah. Oh, the name, Beatrice Caldora. Yes, could you hurry, please? Thank you. That will suit you.
Keep still now. Keep still. I'm about to... What's going on?
What you trying to do, boy? Kill the dog so you can freely rob the house?
No, officer, what are you doing? I live here, officer.
The neighbor make a report that an intruder is on the property.
What? The neighbor? I live here. Officer, you can't do this to me. Please, can you just let go of me, old boy?
Well, we're going to charge you with assault on a dog with a deadly weapon.
Assault on a dog with a deadly weapon? What are you talking about,
Officer, lock him up! Lock up there, wicked! Oh my God, I don't know if I will ever be able to recover from this. But oh, peace of mind.
What have I done?
Officer, tell me something. What is the punishment for this? Because I strongly recommend the death penalty.
What?
The gallows, juke him with the nigger. Oh my God, officer, I would hate to know that he come out and do this to another innocent soul.
I didn't do anything.
No, man. No, I'll make sure something don't happen again, but we don't do that thing, all right? I'll make sure it personally don't happen again, all right?
Lock him up! Ooh, I like this one.
Mommy, no bother with the daydreaming with me today, no.
If you was daydreaming a little more, you'd make better music.
Mommy, you sure you want to do this?
I don't want to feel. Junior want to do this. My mother always said to me, girl, don't depend on a man for your livelihood.
You referring to me?
You is a girl?
So you want to set up a business?
Yes.
Do you live in a house?
Mr. Jones, if we live in a house, we live in one big fabulous house. Massive.
Are you paying rent?
Paying rent? No, we don't do those things anymore. Cash.
Good. That makes you an excellent candidate to set up a business. You see, the human mind is a beautiful thing, but it is not designed to succeed if it has too many rent thinking about.
Could be right.
What I want to explain to you, Beatrice, is this. May I offer you a piece of my banana? I'm sorry I can't give you a whole banana, but...
No, that's okay.
Did you know that the banana is a fruit? It might be, other things for other people, but it's always a fruit. No. This gentleman here.
My son.
Right. The gentleman who fathered him. Is he still around or have you had him substituted?
Mr. Jones?
Yes.
What does that have to do with business?
Business and spouse, especially when a relationship is unstable, do not work. So I'd rather you start this business without a man. What I want you to do is, when you're going to do clothes business, buy at low prices, sell at low prices. Nobody, and I mean nobody, buys clothes like poor people. What I'm going to do, I'm going to register the business, and of course in a very short while, things will be started. So, Mr. Hype and Beatrice,
yes.
Take care. I see you in 2 weeks, all right?
All right. Yes.
Good.
Thank you, Mr. Jones.
You're welcome.
All right, Mr. Banana.
Hi! How are you doing today, cutie?
I'm alright. Meet my son, Junior. Junior, this is Evertwan.
Hi. Heard a lot about you, man.
Like what?
Like the fact that you're in the music business. Making loads of money, I hope.
He's an investment advisor.
No, but I could go on if you have problem investing your music money.
Send me a resume.
Seems like we started off on the wrong chord, Mr. Hype.
Junior, slice it.
Well, if this is the best way you plan to invest your time, what might say otherwise, eh?
Tell me something. You expect me to start dancing to your tune immediately upon meeting you?
Of course not. But as an investor, I expected you to exercise a little more due diligence. Like you want to conk in your big head.
Excuse me. You just meet Evertwan.
He has a pepper tongue. Got it from his father.
Young people, you know.
So, can I give you a lift, cutie?
Later. All right, I'll talk to you. All right.
How me look?
Well, I must say you look much better than the job that you're going to.
Thanks. One thing, that guy Everton, you want him involved?
You know you're out of order. Now what kind of question that you're coming to ask your mother? Eh?
I don't need a stepfather, man.
And you won't be getting one.
Oh, one more thing. I looked through my window this morning and I could swear I see a goat tie up outside. Please tell me I was imagining things.
No imagination. Your grandmother said it with Uncle Joe, so it's a housewarming gift.
Mommy, that can't work. This is uptown. Yo, I gone, you know, later.
Out of order. But you don't want a stepfather. Put her bright. I wonder what Mr. Wedderburn him doing now.
Mr. Wedderburn, there seems to have been a mix-up. Your ID checked out, and furthermore the lady called and dropped the charges. You're free to go.
Oh, thank God for that. You know what? I should sue you guys. Yes, and in actual fact, I have lost complete faith in the whole Jamaican legal system. Yes, I have.
Yeah, make it nice. Burn in the back of this.
Oh, assalamu alaikum, brother.
What go on?
Everything good, man.
So what time we go on?
You guys going up first.
Why?
Look, your name still small. When your name get big, you can start closing show. Be glad that you're on the show. Just tear down the place and everybody will know you. Good? Yeah.
So,
Cool.
Warm thing, man. Why you look so sad?
Susan a pressure me start. But me must rent house and put her night.
So what you gonna do about it?
So she can do something about it.
Like what? About it? My youth them think they're illegal, you know. I think it's better you just sit down with her and have a talk with her.
She not interested in that. I'm not interested in a relationship with she.
That don't sound good, you know. You better do something about it. Because the youth involved now, you know.
Where may I get money for support of you? Pay for your rent. My rent due tomorrow. Plus more the shopkeeper. I have the first dollar, you know.
So sorry, you're sorry. Have some faith.
Ladies and gentlemen, get ready. It is showtime. Somebody say get ready. Please help me to welcome Innocent
Innocent Kru is on a hunt tonight. Oh yeah, we might DJ, but we know the mic. He would have take from now till the morning light. Hey, you wanna dig it, girl, when you coming tight. Attention all shoppers, we be having a ball. Girls wanna come, but my car's too small. Can they ride with your hype? Hell yeah, that's right. Cause you wanna dig it, girl, when you coming tight. Hey, jump at the low, she say, nothing going on. If your bash face, me say, and you sexy walk. It's wearing a minute, me give you a talk. Tell you the truth, tell me almost lost. You got time, me a view. See me no boy, keep me a car. You want drive me car, read a yoga rock. You want a pull up, in on me up.
Gee wee, can't you see all of the pretty girls in the park looking at me?
Yo, sometimes I can't take some of them promoters there.
Hurry up, no man, because you don't say I can need them rent money and child maintenance thing. What I'm telling you, man?
Look, I don't want a desperate situation in the crew. A man get a girl pregnant, him depend him own. I don't want a man come take out the frustration from the manager. See? You hear me? I pay the man. I'm going to spring out. See?
Yeah, look at the boy trick me again, you know. The boy grabs your arm. See him there, go on the sign up.
We might DJ, but we don't love Mike. He could have take from now till the morning light. Hey, you wanna dig it, girl, when they coming tight. Attention all shoppers, we be having a ball. Girls wanna come, but my car's too small. Can they ride with your hype? Hell yeah, that's right. Cause you wanna dig it, girl, when they coming tight. Hey, jump at the low, she said, gotta go. Hype!
Camera, action, start it. Run out of gas, try push, no park it. No problem, a Jamaican talk it. Fi get a couple